In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer copyright notification in Prestashop in just 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for those looking to personalize their online store by updating the standard footer text. Let's dive right into the steps. First, we need to log into your Prestashop back office, open your web browser and enter your shop domain followed by admin in the address bar. This will take you to the admin login page. Once you're there, enter your email and password. If you're having trouble, make sure you're entering the correct credentials or try resetting your password. After you've entered your login information, click on the login button. This will redirect you to the Prestashop dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your online store. Now we're ready to start making modifications to the footer. The first thing you need to do is click on settings from the dashboard menu. This will open a list of options where you need to locate and click on international. This will expand further options, displaying different settings related to language and translations. Next, click on translations under the international section. You'll be brought to the modify translations screen. From here, find the drop down labeled type of translation and select front office translation. This setting allows us to modify parts of the website that are visible to your customers. Now select English from the language drop down menu. This is assuming your store language is set to English. If not, choose the appropriate language for your store. Once that's selected, click on the modify button at the bottom of the page. A new screen with a search bar will appear. Type copyright into the search bar, then hit the search button. This will help you locate the specific text you want to change in the footer. After the search results load, find the copyright text. It's usually a basic line mentioning the store name and the current year. Click on the text field next to it to make it editable. Modify the text to what you want your copyright statement to say, whether it's adding a custom message or updating the year. Once you're happy with the changes, remember to save your edits. Look for the save button at the bottom of the page and click it. This ensures that your updated copyright message is applied to your store's front end. Finally, to see your changes take effect, refresh your website. This step is crucial to confirm everything looks as expected on the live site. With that, you've successfully updated your Prestashop footer copyright notification. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.